Okay, I'm back in the workshop again. I'm going to attempt to make a thermal solar panel using this big sheet of folded aluminium. Well, it's galvanized steel actually. And here's the profile of it. And each of these areas here will form a channel for hot air to come down, and then it will feed down another channel and back up another channel, and all of this will be positioned on one of the glass doors at the very end here. So that is south facing, and we have the sun coming in, and hopefully we'll be able to heat this workshop up using this. I've just sawn this timber into strips. This will now sit up. We will have insulation in between, and I will fill you in once I've made some more adjustments. See, I've now glued and screwed the box. It's quite solid. I'll put the polystyrene in a minute, and then we work out the formulation of how we block off some of these and feed the other ones. Just a little illustration. You can see the channels. The air will come down through here, or will go up through here, be reversed at the top, come back down here, we'll go back up here, go up the top, come back down here, and come back out there. You can see the same down at this end, and then this panel here will just fit in there when I press it in, and then we're nearly good to go. It's been temporarily fitted. We're holding this in with this bracket. I've put a couple of screws in here. You can just see one of them there. You've got an equal bracket down the bottom, and then underneath I've got two separate holes, and we'll test that tomorrow. So this is my solar panel, my first attempt. The intention will be to place it on this window, because I'm going to utilize the glass on the window, and I've made it so that it bolts directly to this area. And what I have is a sturdy galvanized steel fascia type board. It would have been used for roofing, and I've converted it so that the vents are here, and our input will come in here with just a small computer fan. I don't know whether this will be sufficient. Then it will feed up to the far end, where I've redirected it round here. This is insulation. It will come through here, back out again, down to the end where it's redirected again. And because I've only got 4 vents, I haven't been able to pass it up in an uneven number to bring the heat out at the top. So I've brought up and down, and then the heat will come up on the 2 vents and pass out at the top. And that's basically it. I don't know whether I'll put another fan in here to try and pull it as well as push it. So we'll see what happens. It's made out of plywood, and it's backed obviously with foil and insulation, and we'll try and get some results in the near future. One further minor issue I had was this area here is a void. I was going to use it as a channel, but I'm not able to seal everything sufficiently well. So I've left a hole through here that any trapped air between the glass and the collector will have the opportunity to be heated in its own right and then pass through into this area here. If I need to, then I'll just take it out and block this off, but at the moment I think that may well just give additional heat, so it's heat coming that way, and I don't think it's going to take away from the overall effect. Okay, that's the end of that for me, and I'll see how we get on in the future. Just a short video just to show the solar panel as I've developed it. This is the rear of the panel with the inlet here and the outlet up there. You can see that this is just passively passing air, but the temperature at the moment, as you can see, is 71 degrees centigrade. And this is bolted to a door. You can see I've got a glazing on the door, and if we go outside you can see that we're in February, and you can see we've got some reasonably good sun, but you can see that the angle isn't perfect for this, but you can see that it's been sealed inside, and we've got the black panel inside with insulation, and we're producing, as I said, 71 degrees coming out. Now the flow isn't special. I've only got two little computer fans blowing there, but it was the concept that I was trying to establish.